Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and strategies to boost your online income. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of affiliate marketing and show you how it can transform your financial situation. So, if you're ready to take your online income to the next level, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get started. Hey there, it's your friend and host here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or an experienced marketer looking to increase your earnings, this video is packed with valuable information that will help you on your journey. 1. The power of affiliate marketing. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a powerful business model that allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. It's like being a middleman between the buyer and the seller. The best part is, you don't need to create your own products or deal with customer support. All you have to do is focus on promoting and driving traffic to your affiliate offers. 2. Why affiliate marketing is for everyone. Affiliate marketing is for everyone, regardless of your background or experience. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or even a retiree looking for some extra income, affiliate marketing offers endless possibilities. It's a low-risk, high-reward opportunity that can be done from the comfort of your own home. With the right strategies and dedication, you can create a reliable source of passive income that grows over time. 3. How to get started. Now that you understand the power of affiliate marketing, let's talk about how you can get started. The first step is to find a niche or a specific area of interest. This could be anything from health and fitness to personal finance or beauty and fashion. Choose something that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. 4. Finding the right affiliate products. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find the right affiliate products to promote. There are various affiliate networks and platforms where you can find a wide range of products in almost any niche. Some popular ones include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Look for products that align with your audience's interests and needs. 5. Creating valuable content. Now comes the crucial part, creating valuable content. Whether it's in the form of blog posts, videos, or social media posts, your content should provide value to your audience. Share tips, advice, and product recommendations that genuinely help your viewers. Remember, building trust with your audience is key to successful affiliate marketing. 6. Driving traffic to your offers. Once you have your content ready, it's time to drive traffic to your affiliate offers. There are several strategies you can use, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for your niche and target audience. 7. Tracking and optimization. As you start promoting your affiliate offers, it's essential to track your results and optimize your campaigns. Use tracking tools and analytics to monitor your conversions, click-through rates, and overall performance. This data will help you identify which strategies are working and where you can make improvements. Remember, affiliate marketing is a dynamic field, and staying updated with the latest trends and techniques is crucial. 8. Building an email list. One powerful way to enhance your affiliate marketing efforts is by building an email list. Encourage your audience to subscribe to your newsletter or opt in for a free resource related to your niche. This allows you to establish a direct line of communication with your subscribers and promote relevant affiliate products or offers through email marketing. Building a loyal and engaged email list can significantly boost your online income. 9. The importance of building trust. Trust is the foundation of successful affiliate marketing. Your audience needs to trust your recommendations and believe that you genuinely have their best interests at heart. Be transparent, authentic, and only promote products you truly believe in. Share your personal experiences and success stories to establish credibility and foster a sense of connection with your viewers. 10. Scale your affiliate business. Once you start seeing success with affiliate marketing, it's time to scale up your business. Look for opportunities to expand your reach, such as collaborating with other influencers or creating your own digital products. Explore different affiliate programs and partnerships to diversify your income streams. The sky's the limit when it comes to scaling your affiliate marketing business. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to affiliate marketing and how it can boost your online income. Remember, success in this field requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Keep experimenting, refining your strategies, and never give up. Affiliate marketing has the potential to transform your financial situation and provide you with the freedom and flexibility you desire. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it valuable and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing. Before you go, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and strategies to boost your online income. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.